Poe AI Review. So, is it really the best all-in-one AI tool, or it's just overhyped? So, let's find out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Poe AI has been gaining traction for letting users access multiple AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google's Gemini, all under one platform. But is it actually worth using? So let's start with the interface. Poe's UI is minimalistic, clean, and optimized for fast input. You can easily switch between bots on the left sidebar, or you can scroll down. Next is the range of bots. Poe lets you talk to Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, and other niche models, all in one chat environment. This is super useful for comparing responses or handling different tasks like coding, summarizing, or idea generation. Next is the features. Poe offers threads, shareable links, bot creation tools, and cross-device syncing. You can even build your own AI bot using custom instructions. Next is the pricing. Poe offers limited daily messages for free accounts. If you want full access to GPT-4 and Claude, you will need the Poe subscription, which is priced competitively compared to standalone GPT or Cloud Pro. Performance-wise, Poe is fast, and the switch between models is seamless. Whether you are into creative writing, customer support, or AI exploration, Poe provides flexibility. So to use it, you can just chat here, um, type and question what you want, and then hit enter. And then, if you want to go to other bots, you can just click this and find the bot that you want to try. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.